Hey team, my 2-minute conviction this week is based on some really great conversations that I've had with some colleagues within my team recently as they've transitioned into some new roles. And it's simply this, that when you change your roles, there are two big things to focus on: finishing well and launching well. That's my conviction. Finish well and launch well. Change is inevitable. The only constant in our busy lives these days is change. I don't think anybody should be locked into a single role or an employment, or think that loyalty is measured in terms of tenure. Loyalty should be measured in acting in the best interests of the organisation and the mission you serve. And that inevitably means that we're going to change roles. I don't think that's a bad thing. Let's lift the guilt and shame of giving your resignation and moving on into new and different opportunities, because I think we should be releasing and encouraging people to do that. However, my conviction is when you change roles, you need to finish well and you need to launch well. And by finishing well, I simply mean that you need to act with integrity. You need to consider who is adversely impacted by my resignation or my change in role, and act in their best interests. Seek to help them in the transition. Give good handovers. Finish as much of your project work as possible. Consider the careful and sensitive communication of the reasons for why you're changing role, such that you're not prejudicing the opinions of other people around you. Think of the cultural impact. Think of the people who have to stay behind and continue the work that you're doing, and the new people who are stepping into your shoes, and set them up for success. Finish in such a way that the last memory people have of you is the best memory that preserves your legacy, because you will be remembered for how you leave, not how you started. So that's finishing well. But then launch well. Launch well into your new role. And by that I mean anticipate all the ways that you can add value, build relationship, connect with the opportunities of the new position. And so go in well prepared. Don't act like the new person in ways that mean you hold back fresh opinions and new insights, but ask lots of questions. Be humble and teachable in the way you want to learn your new role. Invest into the relationships of the people of the new team that you're stepping into, and launch well. So there's my 2-minute conviction. As you inevitably change roles, remember every position you hold is an interim role, because someone probably did it before you and someone will do it after you. But finish well and launch well. I hope that helps you in your self-leadership of the change in your roles. Have a great week.